No man has ever beaten the great Khali. The great Khali has never been pinned. And John go,
well, it's head-to-head with, oh, speaking of head.
He is no fool. Right here, the Khali's got the in the canvas like a pile driver and the big cover. Cena got to put on the rope because there's no way Cena can John Cena's anatomy. He's got to do that more often. And Khali down and Cena. It's just amazing to me. Human man.
Strength of John Cena.
Cena's strength. Cena's got the Cena hitting Khali.
Oh, look at this.
Cena